Salarzon passes. And hit outside for the rookie Miguel Yu.
You like the approach, though, the elevation. It was just everything but the shot. You know, that flick of the wrist.
So a 2-point answer right away for the Tamaraos to retake the lead. Blocked by Dongala. Gutierrez this time to Salarzon.
Oh, good dig.
Espartero. Another great dig this time by Talisayan. Saavedra. Yu pops it up. Battle at the net. Batas was there. Salarzon again. Martinez goes to Espartero against a triple block.
Good rally.
Wala nang kawalang ina.
Siyempre, patayin mo yung mga pinakamamahal niya sa buhay.
Katulad ng pagpatay natin sa ama ni Carding.
Mali. Ang pinakamasakit na maaaring mangyari sa isang lalaki ay ang lokohin.
Di ba natin ko man na si Carding? Di pa kawalan mo na yung asawa niya?
Lalo